All right, welcome to this beautiful park right here. Came in to fly my drone. So I'm gonna be flying the lake today. I'm gonna go ahead and go all the way to the end here and do my setup over there. Oh, there are chickens here. Beautiful. So this is the lake I'm gonna be flying. Hello, chicken. Welcome to Aviation Wing channel. This is Captain Neil J, and I'm here today to fly the DJI AVATA 2 in this beautiful lake. And today I'm going to be doing it a little bit different. I'm going to be using the ndfilter because usually I don't use it. And honestly, why? Because if I crash or anything like this, I lose the ndfilter, and it's really expensive. It's like $80 something, $79, $80 plus tax and shipping from DJI. It's more expensive than DJI can refresh. So that's why I'll be very careful when I fly it with the ndfilter. So let's see, let's do some settings on the ndfilter and see how we can do that. So what I usually do is, let's go ahead and let me get the ndfilters. All right, let me show you the ndfilters that I use. Those are the DJI original ndfilters. That's the ones I use. So we're gonna be using, I believe we're gonna be using the ND8 today because it's almost sunset and I don't need too much, but we'll find out. All right, what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to the white balance. So in the white balance right now it's showing 5300, and I'm just gonna lock it there. I'm gonna lock it at 5300. So that's how the way I figure out like what the white balance is. I'm not gonna be trying to figure that out. The drone figure out the best. 5300, I'm gonna stick with that number, and I'm gonna go to auto. From auto I'm gonna go to manual, and let me make sure that 5300. Okay, here it is. So now 5300 on auto. I'm in manual. The iOS, I'm gonna lock it today to, I'm gonna lock it 400 because it's like toward the end of the day, so it might get dark fast. So right now shutter speed 1/120, and ISO right now 100. Of course it's very bright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the ND8 on there and see how that goes. All right, let's go ahead and put in the ND8. Here it is. I don't touch it, so I always have a cloth with me. It's easier when it's on because the gimbal will be like stuck right there. It wouldn't be moving around. Here is the ND8, and let's see what numbers we have. All right, what we have? So we have 160 right now, ISO 160, which is good, beautiful. If we move it toward the sun or the other way, it's 100 here, almost. in the darker area 200. So it's gonna be most of the time between 100 and 200. When it starts getting dark, of course, it's gonna go probably 400. That's why I picked to go to 400. On the safety settings, no trees here or anything in the way back, so I need to make sure return home. Yes, I am on return home right now, so that's good. All right, I believe we are ready to take off. I'm gonna put it right here. Already. See, so here is my RC3, and let's go ahead and I'm gonna take off in a manual mode. It says compass, Google Compass interference. I really don't worry about this. I'm gonna be going in manual mode. 25 degrees on the angle. The wind is coming from the right hand side right now. Engine starts. Let's go. Very windy for takeoff. That was a rough takeoff because of the wind. So this is a man-made kind of lake. The city of Houston is using it as a, whoa, what is that? The city of Houston using it as a retention, water retention, control the floods. Oh, it's very windy now. I'm trying to go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is at first I'm gonna fly right at the shores, low. And then I'm going to show you the 3 islands, the one in the middle. The birds use them to sleep. It's like the bed for the birds, or a sleeping spot, however you want to call it. There's gonna be a bunch of them. We will find out. You'll see in a second. Anyways, here is a little bit hill here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to alright, like get on top of it, then dive down here. Cool. I didn't lose a signal, that's good. So it's a huge lake. Again, the city of Houston use it to control the water. When it rains a lot, they just trap it here, and whenever rain stops, they start releasing the water slowly. It goes down to the bayous, and from the bayous to Channel View, and from Channel View it goes down to the Gulf. Cool. There's some business here, and a lot of people walking and running, do exercises. It's nice. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna start going back the other way so we can go explore those islands. That's not the island I'm talking about. This one here is it's just a hill. They make it for the people to walk around. It's really nice. Here is the first island. I'm gonna come sideways because I want to show you the birds tucking themselves in to go to sleep, because it's about sunset. It's about to be a sunset right here. So let's go ahead and head toward the island. You see them already? Very nice. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Okay, I hope I'm not gonna disturb them. I'm just gonna go by them quickly. Cool. All right, enough. I don't want to disturb them. And there are two other islands over here. There is one over here. Going about 47 miles per hour right now. Let me slow down a little. And I know some birds, they come here also, sleep. I don't see them yet. They'll come a little bit probably. And there is a smaller one over here. Nice. Sunset is a beautiful view. Let's look at here. That was a nice split ass. Oh, it's very windy right now. Alright, let's go ahead and continue that trip on the shore, going back toward me. So let me show you this big hill over here. People walking around. It's really nice. I don't want to go on top of the people over there. It's gonna fly here on the shore right now. You see the water and the land, the sun, all together. It's beautiful. It's a God-made art. Can't beat that. Nobody can make something more beautiful than this. Only God, of course. Alrighty, so here we are. Okay, what I see here. Hold up. Let me get closer to the water. Cool. Hello, buddies. How is your day going? Sorry, I don't mean to disturb you. I'm sitting behind these bushes right here. Right here. Super cool, man. Okay, let me get closer to the water, but not too close. Okay, I think this is too close for comfort. What do you think? Can't be playing top of the water. There's no recovery there. Alright, 37% on the battery. That's pretty much, for me, 35% is zero. Because I'll lose the throttle power. Go ahead and switch to sport mode. Normal. Slow it down. Welcome back. Alrighty, that was a lot of fun. Okay, it's back in one piece. The ND filter is still there. No crashes today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I create many helpful videos to help other people to be better pilot. If you get a chance, please check them out, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comment down below with any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. We'll catch you in the next one.